And the story goes that there is a pottery class and the teacher divides the group into two different groups. One of the groups has to make a pot every day for 30 days. So by the end of the 30 days, they make 30 pots. Whereas the other group has to focus on a single pot for the whole 30 days. So they only have one pot at the end of the 30 days. And then at the end of the 30 days, the teacher kind of brings all the pots together and judges the quality of the pots. And he gives out prizes about whose the best pots were. And every single pot that won a prize came from the quantity group rather than the quality group. Especially when you're getting started out in something, there are so many learnings to be had, improving your own ability to talk to the camera, improving your ability to edit videos, improving your storytelling. All of these happen through quantity rather than through quality. You have to get in the reps. And so my theory on this is that you just have to make 100 videos, make at least 100 videos, and then worry about trying to improve the quality of them. Because by virtue of making 100 videos, you're naturally going to improve the quality of them without even really thinking about it. But the main thing is you've got to get in the reps. It's all about quantity rather than quality at the start.